guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to create this really pretty Valentine's Day look. I love this look so much. It is so girly, super duper pretty, and super simple, if I must say. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look and the products that I used. So if you're interested in watching something like this, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. Before I go ahead and jump right in, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there for me, girl. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. To prep my face, I'm going to add some moisture to my skin because I've been super duper dry here lately. So I'm just using this Mario Badescu spray before I go in with my primer. And here lately, I've also been using this amazing Cosmetics Illuminating Primer to give my skin the extra glow during these really dull, cold, and dry winter months. For my brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills DIPBROW Pomade in the shade Chocolate, and I'm also using the ABH Brow Wiz in the shade Chocolate as well. So because this is a soft look, I'm lightly filling my brows in just to shape them. I'm not doing my full normal brow routine. To clean my brows up, I'll be using a concealer warmer than my normal brightening shade to soften this look and make it look more natural to the eye. With my dampened beauty blender, I blend the concealer out, going towards the eyelid. Taking the same warm toned concealer, I conceal my under eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, as well as my chin. To brighten my under eyes, I went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I absolutely love this concealer. Here lately, I've been using this new setting powder to set my concealer, and I've been trying out this Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder in the shade Golden Hour. To contour, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut with my Sigma Small Contour F05 brush, and I blend the cream out really easily using this brush. I really would recommend Sigma brushes. If you guys are looking for some new tools, I definitely recommend Sigma. Using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I set my contour with the two darkest shades in this palette, and I believe this is their medium palette in this Shade and Light by Kat Von D. Moving on to my eyes, I wanted to keep this eye look really simple but super cute, so I'm going to pick up the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like this is such a good palette to turn to for beginners. It has so many nice, rich, warm shades in this palette, and the shade I'll be using is Reglar. I went ahead and I placed this color in my crease and I blend upward and outward, buffing the pigment out. I also take that same shade under on my bottom water lash line. For blush, I decided to use this beautiful pink blush trio in the shade Pale Pink from Carity, and I use this as a blush as well as on my eyes. I first went in with the darkest shade in the palette by the name of Fleek, and then I added a touch of Oh Hey There, which is the middle shade, on top of Fleek to give it that extra touch of blush. With my Sigma Blending E25 brush, I picked up that same shade Hey There from the Blush Bomb in Pale Pink, and I placed it directly in my crease. With the clean blending E40 brush, I blended the two shades out in my crease. Now going in with this Stila metallic shadow in the shade Enchantress, I placed that on the lid for a really cute glittery cut crease. Super simple, super quick and easy. Before I finish this look, I spray more of the Mario Badescu spray to help hydrate my skin. For my highlight today, I'll be using the Sigma ChromaGlow palette, and I'll be using all of the shades for that perfect glow. I feel like once you mix them all together, you get this really unique, personalized, universal shade that looks really good on multiple skin tones. I also added liner and mascara to help complete the look. And for my lips, I've been using Buxom in the shade Sophia on my bottom lip. And I've also been pairing it with this Becca Liptuative Glow Lip Gloss on my top lip. And then I mix them together for the perfect pink lip. For my falsies today, I'm using a pair of Lashylicious Silk Collection, and I think they look super natural. To set my makeup, I used the Bin 9 Final Seal. So this is the finished result. Super pretty, super cute. I wanted to keep the makeup to a minimal, so this was something lighter than what I would normally go for. You guys know I'm a full beat type of girl. So in today's video, I just decided to go a little lighter for this Valentine's Day inspired look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out here on YouTube, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.